Are you looking for the best beginner 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best beginner 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max Mono LCD 3D Printer. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max offers a spacious printing size of 298mm x 164mm x 300mm, allowing for the creation of full-size masks, intricate game terrains, detailed cosplay props, and various models without the hassle of cutting and assembling. Li-Turbo 3.0 combines a COB light source and Fresnel lens, and factory calibrate technology can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. With the anti-aliasing feature activated and paired with high-precision positioning lead screws, it effectively minimizes layer lines and aliasing to achieve a higher level of precision. The Photon Mono M7 reaches a maximum speed of 60mm per hour thanks to Intelligent Release 2.0. A 200% speed increase comparing to the previous M3 Max printer. In addition, the flip-open cover design supports one-hand opening and hovering angles anywhere greater than 45 degrees that can save time and space. Dynamic temperature control resin vat will adjust the temperature of the resin material to maintain the optimal print temperature at all times for print success. And resin autofill feature allows for automatic filling and one-key recycling of remaining resin. Release film uses integrated design for easier replacement. After printing is completed, the model can be suspended above the platform with a small angle, allowing the resin to flow back into the resin vat. And a bigger resin vat with 1,300 milliliters volume for large models. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 LCD UV Resin 3D Printer. Photon Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to Mono 2. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axes. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested Anycubic Li-Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 foot x 3.42 x 6.49 / 153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm, you have ample print space to easily tackle your daily tasks and demanding projects. With a new design, the laser engraving platform of the Photon Mono 4 improves adhesion to mitigate lifting and warping of the model during 3D printing, while keeping the removal process simple and smooth. The 4-point leveling method is ideal for beginners. After the first leveling and tightening the 4 screws, no need to repeat leveling. Photon Mono 4 can resume printing when power is restored, effectively reducing material and time wastage. Number 3. QIDI Plus 4 3D Printer. The X Plus 4 has a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches, which allows you to print multiple models at the same time, significantly increasing printing efficiency. The X Plus 4 inheriting the high-speed Core XY structure of X Plus 3, making it ideal for both professionals and beginners seeking faster and more efficient printing. QIDI Plus 4 has upgraded the chamber heating function. It has an ultra-high heating power of 400 W, and it adds air circulation design and dual-layer insulation to make the chamber temperature more balanced and consistent. It can effectively reduce warping and cracking when printing high-temperature filaments and improve print quality. The X Plus 4 comes with an upgraded 80 W high-temperature hot end and multi-metal integrated throat nozzle, reaching a maximum temperature of 370 degrees Celsius. Designed for faster installation and removal, it reduces clogging risks and offers exceptional wear resistance. This setup supports a wide range of high-temp filaments, including PPSCF, PPACF/GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, PET and more, making it perfect for diverse printing applications. Unbox to print in 10 minutes. Remote print, real-time progress tracking is always available through the QIDI mobile app or QIDI Studio Slicer. X Plus 4 is also equipped with a HD camera for real-time remote monitoring and time-lapse photography. Filament wrap and break detection features reduce filament waste. It makes it easy for you to achieve total intelligent control, ensuring a safer, more efficient and convenient experience. Number 4. Phrozen Sonic Mega 8Ks 3D Printer. Experience an unmatched level of efficiency with the Sonic Mega 8Ks. This printer boasts a spacious build plate and an innovative high-speed system. Effortlessly achieve the extraordinary feat of printing an entire plate containing 80 detailed 1/32 scale models in an astonishingly brief span of under 1.5 hours. Witness your creative visions materialize rapidly without compromising precision or quality, revolutionizing your 3D printing capabilities. Unlock a new era of efficiency with the integration of our cutting-edge features. The synergy between the innovative high-speed system, advanced ACF film, and potent TR300 resin empowers you to achieve production speeds up to 10 times faster when contrasted with mid-size printers. Bid farewell to sluggish production processes and welcome rapid, dynamic printing that enhances your productivity manifold. Embrace a future where efficiency knows no bounds. Maximize your studio space without sacrificing accessibility. Our printer's ingenious lift-up lid design ensures optimal space utilization, granting effortless access to your prints. Experience the perfect blend of compactness and convenience for an elevated printing journey. Preserve every precious drop of resin post-printing with our built-in drip hanger. Crafted from durable metal, this feature ensures optimal safety and convenience during building plate cleaning. Say goodbye to wastage and hello to a cleaner, more efficient workflow with this thoughtfully designed addition. Number 5. Flsun T1 Pro Delta 3D Printer. The Flsun T1 Pro Delta 3D printer is the pinnacle of high-speed 3D printing, boasting a top speed of 1000 mm per second and a 3000 mm/s2 acceleration. This ultra-high-speed motion system is the key to reducing print times by half, allowing you to create complex models with unparalleled efficiency. The self-developed 78N Extrusion Force HT dual-gear direct drive extruder ensures stable and consistent printing, even with flexible TPU materials. The upgraded 90 mm per second flow high-temperature hot-end kit guarantees smooth extrusion and superior surface quality, while the 1080p camera keeps a watchful eye on your prints, enabling remote monitoring and intervention. The Flsun T1 Pro's Delta structure is a testament to global leading experience in Delta technology, offering users more choices and a unique aesthetic. The progressive Delta kinematics technology ensures high precision and excellent surface quality, while the stable hot bed is fixed during the printing process, reducing the need for maintenance and increasing the success rate of printing large and high models. The enclosed chamber with a hot end at 300 degrees Celsius and hot bed at 110 degrees Celsius effectively minimizes model deformation caused by uneven cooling shrinkage, ensuring your prints are of the highest quality. The Flsun T1 Pro is designed for convenience and ease of use, with a modular assembly that allows for quick and easy setup. The 4.3-inch color high-definition capacitive touchscreen provides accurate touchpoint recognition and sensitive control, while the independently developed Flsun OS system offers a concise and clear user interface. Wi-Fi connectivity enables easy access to models and remote control, reducing printing losses due to failures. The inclusion of a 1080p camera provides real-time monitoring, ensuring you can catch any printing issues before they become a problem. The fully automatic leveling system, combined with a self-developed pressure sensing adjustment algorithm, guarantees precise leveling in one go, saving time and ensuring successful prints.